Tyler and I had never met before the incident. And that morning when he was arrested, I get a call from his business partner, Mitch. Long story short, he gave me a call. He told me the situation. I hopped on it right away. Tyler was being held in custody. He was at the Port Authority. He was being transferred to Newark Correctional Facility. The limited information that I had at the time, because I don't think Mitch even knew what was going on. So I needed to start making phone calls, getting the information that I needed to get to see where we are. I made contact with the Newark Police Department. The gentleman who was handling extraditions, super courteous guy, gave Tyler's information. He pulled up the records. He said, yeah, we have him in custody and he's going to be transported to Newark and we're holding him on an extradition warrant from Florida. I said, well, what are the allegations in the complaint? Because in order to get a warrant, someone had to have filed a complaint. They had to lodge some sort of allegation against Tyler to say he's alleged to have committed this particular crime. And then that detective, after doing some investigation, would determine whether he had probable cause, what they call PC, to make an arrest. So apparently the complaint that was filed by this victim gave this detective enough to establish probable cause, which is a very, very, very low bar. It's basically saying, well, Tyler just took money from me.
Right.
Show him some evidence of some sort of transaction or whatever had happened. The detective immediately then went, got a warrant. The judge signed off on the warrant, and all the detective had to do is show the judge that he had enough legal basis to issue the warrant. No one calls Tyler, no one tells Tyler, which is common. Those types of transactions are never disclosed, even to lawyers, because a lawyer can call his client and say, look, there's a warrant out for your arrest. If you get stopped, if you go through customs, if you drive your car, you get pulled over and they run your name, the warrant may pop and they'll take you into custody.